friends, that's your friend Lipstick Nerd, and I know that we haven't been connected past 2 weeks, and I'm really apologetic for that, and I hope that I serve you further with a lot of consistency and a good quality content. So before I get started with this video, I just wanna be thankful to all of those who have been supporting me and have made me make my way through like 100 subscribers and plus. Really thank you for all the support you guys have been giving me. Okay, so you guys know that I had did a poll asking you guys that what you want to see, that my hair care routine or lipstick collection, and many of you voted for hair care routine, so here I am doing that. And yep, before anything else, I just want to tell you guys that I really have an oily scalp and dry and frizzy ends because I colored my hair for like 5 to 6 times, and now I really don't wish to because they have like the ends are really dead now, and I am looking forward to take care of them and get colored again. Yes, of course, because I love coloring my hair. Good hair care for good hair is actually oiling, and you should really oil your hair well, and at least you should oil your hair twice a week. If you have dry hair, unlike me, then oil your hair like one night prior washing, and if you have oily hair like me, then you should only do oiling before 45 minutes before washing, and then rinse it with the shampoo. And yeah, it also depends on what kind of shampoo you're using, and the things I'm telling you in this video are only for the internal goodness of your hair. You should really eat good and take good diet, because that's only the way you regenerate your hair. And the oil I use for my hair is coconut oil. That is the only oil I swear by. It's not like that I haven't tried any other oils, but the thing is that I can't trust any other oils other than coconut oil, and coconut oil has its own properties and own goodness. So that's the oil only I prefer for my hair. You can choose whatever oil suits you the best. It's must. That's what I need to say. So now for shampoo, I am using Vela shampoo. Vela shampoo for past like 4 to 5 months, and I am using Vela Professionals and Rich shampoo. This is my second bottle as I finished with this first one, obviously. The thing is that this is for normal to thick hair, so I have normal hair, not really thin hair, and this helps in moisturizing and nourishing your damaged hair. So now you guys would be thinking that why am I not using the color protecting variant from Vela, because I didn't felt like using it as I have really dry ends. So I wanted to care for my dry ends rather than protecting my color. So that's the reason I chose this one. If you are looking for color protecting variant, then you can surely go for the other shampoo from the same range, and this shampoo is doing really good for me, and I am really happy about this product that I chose this one for my hair, and it's doing amazing to my hair. Sometimes I really don't feel like using conditioner to my hair after using shampoo, and my hair do great even if I don't use conditioner. So for conditioner, again I'm using Vela and Rich. For conditioner, what you need to do is that size product in your hand, rub it in your palms generously, and then apply it to the ends, not to the roots, because applying conditioner to the roots is like getting your scalp oily again, and it is not recommended as well. Only apply conditioner to the ends, and And with this product you need to sit back for like 8 to 10 properly and you are good to go and you're done. And I like to air dry my hair and not blow dry, and neither do I like to style my hair a lot. I keep it really natural and the way they are. But on the second day I feel like that my hairs are again getting dried up bit, and for that I use Pantene Pro V oil replacement cream, and this product is a miracle product again to me, because it's been a month I'm using this product, and it makes my hair feel really nourished and moisturized, and they don't feel like I have a frizz, and it's not at all sticky, stinky, and like it does not have the properties of oil but has the goodness of oil in it. So that's the good part of this product. And also it is recommended to use before styling. It acts as a protecting layer on your hair. So okay, that was a rhyme, layer on your hair. So yeah, that is it, and made it till now. And if you're thinking that what extra do I do to take care of my hair, so here's the bonus, and here's the secret that I really do for my hair, and that is a home remedy kind of a thing. Yeah, it is a home remedy kind of, not a kind of thing, but actually a home remedy. So the recipe of this thing goes like this, that you need to take on 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of curd, and a half a lemon, not half, actually a wedge of a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Grate the onion, take out its juice, and add 2 spoons of curd to it, and squeeze a lemon into it, and its honey to it, and mix well and apply it to the scalp and also to the ends. Is that the enzymes so the onion enzymes helps you in regrowth and helps you in getting voluminous hair, and also helps in cleaning your hair, because it is antibacterial, and it really helps in getting your hair grow longer, and curd and lemon helps you keeping you away from dandruff as well, and also adds nourishment to your hair, and they have the brightening properties as well. So luckily whenever I have used this recipe, home remedy, and it has always turned my hair towards a positive side, and I always receive compliments for that. What are you doing, what kind of what color are you using? But the thing is that I do not really go for any extra, I really don't do anything else extra to my hair. It's just that so this is all what I do for my hair. This video and find this helpful for yourself, then please don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon beside subscribe, so that you can get notified whenever a new video comes up. And till then, take care, have a happy weekend, and keep supporting and keep loving.